What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make $300 per day really at any age without any upfront investment, maybe $50. Now, it's a very easy strategy to follow, so pay close attention. Now, before we get into that, I have an exciting announcement. So my business partner, Dan De Silva, and I are putting on a 90-day e-commerce challenge, which included in that is a free entire course training you how you can start your own e-commerce store and make that profitable over the 90 days. Now, this will only be free for the next 30 days, and then we will start charging for it. So if you want to get in, the first link will be down below. So this 90-day challenge, in short, is just to see how much money you can really build and grow in the next 90 days using e-commerce. And throughout this, you will be getting pretty much an entire e-commerce course for free. That would normally be $500, $1,000. Just by signing up here, and you will get a new video each day in your inbox teaching you specific strategies that we use in order to build these 6-7 figure stores. But you'll be getting a video teaching you every single day in your inbox for 90 days. And again, it is free to register. There's no reason not to. We just want to give you a reason to go start and go actually start building an e-commerce store. All you have to do if you want to sign up is just go to the first link in the description, just put in your name and your email, and you'll be emailed the information, and you will get your few videos and start learning, and you'll get a new video every day in your inbox. And again, it's completely free. So if you're interested, link is in the description. Just fill this out and you're good to go. Now, let's jump into the video. Now, the way we're talking about how you can make $300 a day is going to be through reselling services. Now, these will not be services that you're doing yourself. You will be outsourcing them. It's almost like reselling products like retail arbitrage or on Amazon, but it's with services because a lot less people do this, and it's very easy and can be automated. Now, there's a lot of huge companies that do this that a lot of people might not even know they do this, where they create their own services. They provide you these services, but they're really paying someone else to do them for even cheaper. Now, an example of this is if I go to a site called rev.com. Now, I use this to do captions for my YouTube video. I pay $1 per minute of video, and it automatically puts subtitles and uploads it to my YouTube video, which can help with ranking. So they charge $1 per minute. And they do have an API, which don't get scared when I say API, but it's easy to put into your website and people fill it out. The order goes directly to them. Now, what I could do here, if we're looking for an example, would be they do document translation. Now translation through this service is 10 cents a word. Now, if we go over on Fiverr and I search up document translation and I look at this one, so any language, and it can be any language on Rev. So what they charge for 100 words, 1 day turnaround, is $20. So I'm assuming they're doing the same thing. So they're charging 20 cents a word, which is double this, which is probably what I would charge. So once he gets an order through Fiverr right here, you would go over to rev.com and you would make the order yourself. I'd say, okay, let's get started. And I'd upload my document. So it would translate it. It would be 10 cents a word. I'd place my order, and turnaround time is 24 hours. Now, they usually do it way quicker than this for captions and whatnot, but 24 hours, which you can offer a lot quicker than most people selling this service, and they're doubling their money for zero work other than coming, you place order, you upload a document, it'll choose how many words it is. You can see 100% satisfaction, 24-hour turnaround, so you can offer all these on your own Fiverr. Now, this is just the start. There's tons of different things you can do this with. Like I said, there's captions for YouTube, and you can charge similar prices. You can charge more. It's completely up to you. But there's businesses that are multi-million dollar businesses that are built off of using other people's services, but they know how to market it and sell it. So you could create a service like this on Upwork or Fiverr or any of the sites where you sell services or yourself, and you can offer a ton of different services and outsource all of them very easily by just going and placing an order here. And what I was saying earlier with the API is you'd put this into your website, in short, and when someone places an order through your website, it automatically goes through this website, places an order just like you would, so it cuts you out so you don't have to do any of the work, and you still keep that profit. So pretty much someone's paying you for 100 words, they're paying you $20. You go pay Rev $10 and you're left with $10 profit for giving them work and you doing no work. So it's a very cool model, and I thought it would be appropriate for our 30-day challenge. Now, you can get creative with this. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. Rev isn't the only website you can use. There's other ones just like this. And there's tons and tons of services, proofreading, whatever it is. Now, you can do this from Fiverr, or you can do it on Upwork. So if I go post a job on Upwork saying I'll do Instagram marketing, I could charge a little bit more for that and then come find someone that does that on here and pay them less to do the exact same thing, and I just make that profit and I'm not doing any work. Now, it's a lot easier if you stick with one niche, but I just wanted to open kind of everyone's eyes to this opportunity because I don't see anyone talking about this or really doing it when it's very, very simple. It is probably the least amount of work, but it will take time to build and grow. So that's going to be all for this video. Again, if you guys are interested in that 90-day e-com challenge, it is closing at the end of this month, so end of August, and then we will start charging. So get in, you can get free, you can get started with pretty much no money, and just no reason not to learn. 90 free videos teaching you the exact strategy that Dan's using for Shopify and how he built his e-commerce stores. So if you're interested, that'll be the first link down below. You just put your email in and you're good to go. So hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next video.